Welcome guys, today we've got a 19 plate brand new Mercedes A200 in for a rear bumper repair. Now, I'm going to bring you in shortly. It's grazed at the back. Rather than take off the full bumper, rather than take out the sensors, drop the grille, we're doing a smart repair which saves removing lights, trims, bumpers. We're going to match the colour, we're going to repair it, we're going to paint it, we're going to finish it off with a seamless blend, just to prove how good a smart repair really can be. Check out the process guys, here's some time lapses to follow. So here we are, and if we get close, we've got a graze starting here, or a scuff, which is remove the paint, and on to here, right across, and finishing here. So what we're going to do is to paint the bumper coming round to here, and what we're going to do is blend here. So looking around to this side, you'll always have a shade difference between the plastic and metal, but you know, that's still original, and what we want to try and achieve is to make sure that that's seamless once repaired. What we've done is we've polished the bottom of the bumper just to get a paint reading on. Now in the door check is the colour code. So on the Mercedes, here we have 787. Go into the paint room and put our camera on there. And 787, search that. Now it's reading, and our best match is the top one, and that's the shade that we paint. Press the formula button. Let's mix some paint. I'll mix this up. I'll put you on to the tripod to watch the sanding process ready before preparation before we get the bumper all primed up. panel ready to, obviously, to paint. First of all, we'll put the base coat down. Second of all, we'll put 2 coats of clear coat down, and then we'll blend. So yeah, next you'll see is the time lapse of masking up, of which I absolutely hate. Hate masking cars for some reason, but yeah, get it all masked up, and then get prepped ready to put the base coat down. Ready to go. Try and get the light on. So as you can see, if you look at the centre colours, which are the same colour, there's no colour landed on where I'm going to blend. Hopefully it'll go well. Here we are. Still not finished, but just want to bring you in before I do a little bit of polishing. But there's no polishing to do on the main parts because it's a brilliant finish, if I don't say so myself, or if I say so myself even. Polish that edge up, and then we polish our blend area. Just around here I need to polish up. Oops. But yeah, over the moon with that. Superb. Smart repair. It just goes to show no need to take the full bumper off for cosmetic damage. I'll bring you back in once it's polished up. Beautiful. So, original damage. Gone. A200 Mercedes 2019. Rear bumper repair. Well, that's it guys, thank you for watching, hope you've enjoyed it. Bear with me on the channel, I'm trying to give you an idea of what goes on here at Premier. We're pretty unique in what the services we offer, and yeah, if you would like to see more videos of the same content, if you've got any ideas of what you would like to see, what you would like to hear, I don't know, you let me know. I want this to try and be engaging, to give you an idea of, if you want your car repaired, what route do you go down, because who do you trust in the motor trade? And I want to change the ethos of, well, especially within smart repairs and detailing. So yeah, if you would like to see more of the same, just give us a comment below. And any advice, if you run a YouTube channel, please give me some advice. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. And before you go, please give the notification thingy-me-jig. So if I do drop a video, you're gonna know. But yeah, please subscribe, ring that belly thing, and I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers guys.